Hi everyone, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is a quick trade update on our S&P 500 short $7,200 puts. So just to remind you what the trade was, back here, this was Wednesday, June the 17th. We had the Fed meeting, the market sold off hard that day, and we used that volatility to our advantage. We sold the $7,200 puts, which expires tomorrow. And the premium we actually took in was quite substantial. And the great news is, if we just look into our positions now, you're going to see that we're up quite substantially. You can see we're up $300 on the position. Now remember, this is only a 10K account up here. So since the start of the year, we've been trading this and we're targeting 30% return on investment for the year. For residents of the UK and Ireland, we're doing this through IG platform, and the options are structured in a tax-free manner. So these gains are totally tax-free, and you can see we're up $300 at the moment. So that's going to be about, I don't know, €270, €280. So we're up 2.7, 2.8% on this particular trade within the last 12 days. Remember, this trade is only 12 days old. So the trade expires tomorrow. We're going to let this expire and run to expiry, and what will happen is it'll expire worthless, and we will make our full profit on the trade. And then if we switch back into our Interactive Brokers account, you can see here, this is not the tax-free one, this is your traditional options one. You can see we're actually up here $186 in this, which is 1.86%. Again, this is only based off a 10K account. So we're up substantially in both accounts, going very well. And again, I just want to highlight the beauty of this trade. So remember, if you were back here and you actually bought the S&P 500 index, you'd be down, because the market is actually down since this trade went on. What we did is basically write an insurance policy, and we insured the value of the S&P down to this level here. And we used the probability of profit to our advantage. Because when you do that, you can profit in three different ways. When the market goes up, it goes sideways, and even when it falls, like it has done, but as long as it didn't fall below 7,200. And that's why, statistically speaking, we have a much better chance of winning. So we're using mathematics and putting mathematics into our favor. So if we look very quickly now, what is our probability of profit? It's pretty much up at 99%. We might get a quick insight here. Actually, they have it down at 100% now. This is probably because it's 99.88%, but because there's never such thing as a 100% guarantee, but you're as close to it. So again, congratulations to everybody who's on the trade. Now what we're going to do is wait for us to put on our July trade. So I'm just teeing that up now. You can see we're still in this down channel here. So it's not time to get cute with the market and start putting on your July trade now. Let's see, does this actually come down here? Remember, you know, we had tit for tat strikes between Iran and the US over the weekend, so that might re-emerge again. So we might get another downward trend. So we need to see this kind of downward trend end first before we even consider our July trade. But for those of you who are on the June trade, congratulations, you're up 2.8% in under 12 days. And we're now doing our homework on our July trade. Okay, this is Stephen with a quick update on our S&P 500 trade. If you have any questions, please reach out via WhatsApp or the website. Thanks and bye for now.